Sawadee krab, wani tam pad prit gang. So today, stir fried red curry paste. Now this is one of my favourite recipes. It's so simple, as you can see. Nung song sam, 3 ingredients.
That's why it's our first ever quick cook on the channel.
Yeah, quick cook. Probably takes about 5 minutes. Not even that probably. So let's get cooking. So step 1, oil pan. Naman, wok. Spread around. Step 2, red curry paste. Depends how spicy you want it. I usually go with 2 tablespoons. Give it a quick stir, let it sizzle about for a bit. Then in goes the chicken. And then mix in. Mix in and then basically just cook till the chicken's cooked, and then it's done. That's how simple it is. This is the reason why it's one of my favourite recipes to actually cook, because it's just so simple and quick. Remember our rule, 10 seconds and flip. Nung song sam si ha hong jet oh, bugger that up. Bugger it. I can never tell when it's done. That's the problem with this. Okay Google, 2-minute timer please.
Second timer for 2 minutes, and we're starting now.
Google's a great assistant when you're cooking.
Yeah, it's almost like a wife.
It's not as expensive.
Well, not as expensive as a Thai wife. Tell you, 25 grand. Whew, no thank you. Well, not anymore anyway. So, Connie Setlau Tam Padrit Gang. I don't know if that's the right tense or whatever. We finished cooking. Now to plate up, I'm going to put this in a portable tub because I'm not going to be eating it now, as we had some lovely pizza in chicken. Oh, I don't
Pizza stuffed chicken.
Pizza stuffed chicken. Yeah. Oh, time has gone. There we go. Plate up, wahey. Hop off. Aloe mac, soy mac, Lorlen, whatever you want to use. Looks very nice. Bellissimo, as they say in Italian, as where I've just been. So yeah, that's done. So this is our last video, last video before Christmas. So we just want to wish you a Merry Christmas by singing this very wonderful song. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Well, you will get a video. So yeah, now on to the fish cake recipe again. You don't, that's the thing. Well, hey, spoiler alert. Hello, sweetie.
So, quick spoiler, next week, the last video of 2019.
Fish cakes.
It's going to be fish cake, yeah, just fish.
Yep. Last video will be Thai fish cakes, some sort of traditional Christmas recipe. So, we hope you enjoy that. Goodbye for now.